Okay, so on the chance that I don't want to show you guys how to do these, because I'm not sure if I feel it, I'm getting ready to prepare other cabs to beat around for the tutorial video, not just the fail video. So basically, I cut a strip. It's usually, you know, full yard sheet. Anyways, and I cut a strip off, and then I just kind of make sure it's going to fit there. Do I have enough space to work around? I'm only going to probably do 2 or 3 rows, so it doesn't have to be very big. And then I just fold it in half and cut it. Okay, I'm going to move this camera so you can actually see how this all goes down. Alright, where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, so this is where I'm going to have it. This is where I'm going to have it. And we're going to stop that. TikTok too, so that's what I was working on. While I have this stuff out, because I'm about to move into liquid soap, because I need to make some shampoo, which means I need to finish this project so I can move back into soap. Because it's, you know, that's why I said my tutorials will be on whatever I'm working on. So tutorials on liquid soap making are going to be coming out, and then I have to make the Cannabis Rose bar soap, so you'll have some bar soaps coming out. So that'll be fun. Okay, so hello camera. Okay, so taking my E6000 and I'm going to smear it around. Don't need a heavy duty layer, but we do need a small amount around the entire edges of it. Don't leave your edges. The middle's not even as important as your edges. So there you go. And just press it down into the middle. Ish. Me and my crooked eye. Alright, and once again. I don't sew these down because I don't like the way the thread looks coming out of the holes and then having beadwork around it. It just looks funky. So I just glue them down because that's what I would do anyways. Even if I sewed it down, I would still glue it down. So there you go. These are now going to need to dry. Give them a good press all the way around, because you want to make sure it's bonded with that Pelon. I left a link for the lacy stiff stuff. I don't use it. It's way too expensive. And I am a penny pinching person. So, yeah. This is just, like I said, I can't remember what it's called. It's right by the heat and bond. This doesn't have any glue on it, though. So, it's just like a reinforcement fabric stuff. So, there you have it. And now I'm going to let that dry, and that's all there is to starting your middles.